Hey guys, here YouTuber Adi. My name is Aditya Shinde and you're watching your favorite channel YouTuber Adi. So today is my first day for my channel. Today was a Diwali Padwa, so my father said you can start your channel. I was so interested that I am starting my own channel. So my father said I am giving you one gift. You can take your channel and make your first video on that gift. So this gift is here. My father and I thought take it from Flipkart. It delivered today. It involves it's of lot of cost. It's of rupees 39,019 rupees only. It's big gift for me, given from my father. So I'm excited here. Let's cut it, guys. What should be in it? Oh, guys! Oh, iPhone. See, guys, my father gave me iPhone. Which iPhone is it? I think it's 12. iPhone 12, guys. Oh, you can see your iPhone logo is given here. It should be here. It's iPhone. Really iPhone, guys. Oh, iPhone 12 here. You can see. It's white, 64 GB, designed by Apple in California. Let's cut it, guys. It's the bill. Let's see how many cards it got. Yes, it's 33,066 rupees. Let's cut. Yes, guys, we are cutting it. I am very interested that how it will be. Means I was not thinking that my father will give me iPhone. Means he tell me that it's related to yesterday. I thought even he should give me some stationery and that type of item. He's giving me this kind of thing. I was not knowing that. So let's open it. Oh, guys, iPhone. You can see, guys, how it is. Full white. So cute camera, guys. You can see this logo. So cute. This color that wow. Let's see in it. Again one cable of wire for charging it. It should be original cable by Apple. They are not giving charger like always. Here is some paperwork. This iPhone. Before using the phone, review the iPhone user guide to support Apple account. That iPhone. India regulatory information. It should be cool. This is main thing, guys. This main thing. iPhone logo means I will stick it on my computer here. You can see designed by Apple in California. You can see here in California. It's American company too. You can see here on off button, power button. Here it should be silent mode button, ringtone mode, volume button, plus minus. You can see so means it is very very good in keeping the hand. And now the main thing over here. Oh guys, so smooth. Oh, not believable, guys. Means I am thinking that iPhone 12 in my hand first time, guys. Means I have seen the iPhone 7, iPhone 7, 6s, iPhone 12. I am saying first time, guys. My first. Let's imagine my first video and iPhone 12 in my hand. Oh, let's start it, guys. Let's start. Now see, guys, it's starting. See how so cute Apple logo it's here. Means it's very main thing, yeah, means seen a very cute means when we are going and keeping this like this, so all are looking to this. So here it's language value, which language we can choose here. We will choose English, right? So here English, India, select your country region, India, right? Selecting language, start up manually to continue. So we can do that. And very good to mobile is that my father was talking me in this. I have cut the video. My father phone come and I call my father and tell that means what you have sent me that like that iPhone 12 you have said. I was thankful of them. So they were told taking, so they were saying me I have given the mobile to study because something in the studies I was getting some means any question I don't understand, I was searching on Google, but no one is here that means I am having friends and so but mobile I was needing, in the need of mobile. So what was happening, my father, I told this problem to my father. My father said wait, I will tell you anything solution. I was not thinking that my father will give me a mobile. If he will give the mobile, not thinking that iPhone 12. So I called him and said thank you for that. So it was my first video. If any mistakes, so you can say me in the comment. If you have to buy this iPhone 12, the link is in description. So please subscribe to my channel, my first video, and like it. When you subscribe the button of red button, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for my next video. When will it come, you will get notification first. Thank you.